The Directorate of Criminal Investigations has been granted 6 days to hold 3 officials of the Aimi Ma Lukenya Society to allow for the completion of investigations into the sale of Portland cement land in Mavoko.
The presiding Magistrate Gilbert Shikwe declined to grant the request by the DCI 30 days to hold the suspect.
The trial court, which retired on Monday to deliberate on the ruling, has given DCI Amin and his team up to October 31st to comb their findings.
It is hoped that the applicant has made sufficient progress in his investigations during this period that they have been in custody. In any event, he is granted a further 6 days to proceed as is, and thereafter arraign the respondents to court with at least a holding charge.
The trial magistrate said the court has taken cognizance of what happened last week during demolitions that took place at Portland Cement in Mavoko.
And it is very expensive, even for some of the council here. People commute from Machakos to Nairobi when the matter can be conveniently dealt with in Machakos.
The trio, Julius Mutua, Chairman, Pascal Kiseli, the Treasurer, and Alex Chalo, the Secretary, will now know what they'll be charged with on October 31st. Being a matter of public interest, the court will now decide on October 31st whether the matter will be heard in a court in Machakos County to enable the over 10,000 members follow the proceedings. And the Director of Public Prosecutions, Renson Mulele, has recalled a criminal file in which Kakamega Deputy Governor Ayub Savula and others are charged in a 122 million case.
Your Honor, I can confirm without hesitation that in fact the letter that is subject of the review, we submitted it from our law firm, so I'm aware of.
The state prosecutor told the court when the matter came up for hearing that the DPP wants to review the file before any proceedings can take place. The case will be mentioned on November 30th to confirm the position that has been taken by the DPP. Elsewhere, a law student has been charged with masquerading as an advocate of the High Court.
Possession of someone having been a law student, being a law student does not qualify you in any way in between before you are admitted as an advocate for you to appear.
We cannot allow and continue to have such scenarios happening in the legal profession. We raise issue, and as not only as interested parties, but we are part and parcel as victims.
The accused Ralph Edward Nzui denied all the 3 counts, among them forging a release agreement purportedly signed by Arwa and Changi advocates. Ruth Wamboi reporting for Prime Edition from Milimani, the county of Nairobi.